Welcome to part 3 of my series, Makeup Tutorial, Best Teacher Ever. Thank you, Tay, for the gift. I love it. Now, let's get started. RCMA Foundation, full coverage, my go-to. Setting it with CC Powder from IT Cosmetics in the color Light. Keeps me shine-free all day. Yeah, that's right, all day. Going in with Kevyn Aucoin Neo Bronzer in the CAPRI collection. Gonna be adding dimension in the perimeter of my face using a large powder brush. Now I'm gonna be going into that same palette and applying the pink shade, creating a beautiful opalescent finish. I paired the Kevyn Aucoin Neo highlighter SAHARA with the PatMcGrath eyeshadow to highlight the highest points of my cheekbones and my facial structure. Now, I'm going to be using the Fabu Brow Jordana Eyebrow Collection. Baby girl, if you haven't used this, you need to. You need to find it online because I purchased this in Puerto Rico. I purchased a lot of this in Puerto Rico, so I don't know if they sell it here in the mainland. But these eyebrow products, as you can see, create such a beautiful finish, a soft finish. Get them, please. IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. I use to clean up my eyebrow and prep my eyelids. Whatever's remaining, I do apply underneath my eyes because we do not want to waste product. Let's be honest, it's expensive. Moving on. Here's my baby dog and I love her. And yes, she's blind because she's old and she's 14. She's blind, but all her little pelitos are still intact. LORAC is my go-to. I love the Pro Palette 2 and Unzip palettes. All their products are incredible. But as you can see, these palettes are well loved. I use them every day. They are so beautiful, buttery, so easy to blend. As you can see, I'm using lighter shades in the beginning to create the shape that I desire. Then I'm going back with deeper shades to intensify the look and create more depth. Now, I like to apply my eyeshadow on my lid and on my lower lash line so that I can create depth and definition in my eye look. I always feel a little bit naked without that. Going in with KALEIDOCOSMETICS, STILA Cosmetics, and LORAC Cosmetics eyeliner, I'm going to be creating my wing, and I'm going to be now going in with my MAGNETUDE eyeliner. This is the magnet eyeliner that's going to help my eyelashes adhere. So my eyelashes and my eyeliner adhere, and I could detach it whenever I want, and there's no damage to my natural lashes. I love it. Going in with the LORAC cheek palette, I'm going to be intensifying my blush and my contour. So first I'm going to be intensifying my blush. I'm a fan of blush because it adds a factor of glow. That glow factor, a lot of people skip this step, but it's important. Going in with bronzer, I'm just mixing everything together, going over the same shading as previously created with my Kevyn Aucoin palette. Now I'm going to be going into the highlighted shade in this beautiful LORAC cheek palette and layering it on top of what I previously applied. This is all about intensifying the look. I always do this after I apply my liner. Going in with my lipstick. This is the Victoria's Secret liquid lipstick. It is not sold in stores anymore, but this is the color Wanted. Going in with the Tarte MANEATER mascara, I'm going to be applying this on my lashes to prep for dun, 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 my magnetic lashes in Selfie. My liner dried, so my lashes just attached. I sell these lashes. Visit kianagosa.com for purchasing. Look at the difference it makes. Wow. Look at the finished look. Ooh, la la. Mama, how are you doing? You guys, thank you so much for watching this video series. And, you know, don't be afraid to reach out to me, message me, email me, any videos you would like to see in the future. I cannot wait to create these videos for you. I'm already excited. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Check me out on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Tumblr, Twitter. I am in every social media platform. Like, comment, and share. Love you guys. Bye.